A man is drowning in the lake, and a cop risks it all to pull him out. Watch what happens next. Officer responds to a call. Every second counts.
They're advising they still see them, but I guess they still don't have them. We're getting that gate code.
Marine 1 to Item 3, direct on main. Long drop.
You okay?
Stay with me. You're gonna be okay.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You good?
Dispatch.
Roll over on your side.
Notice how quickly the officer moves, risking his life without hesitation. The water is cold, the man's barely staying afloat. Moments like this remind us, heroes don't always wear capes.
Roll fire rescue this way.
10-4, they're on their way. Copy Ida 1 and
You good?
2.
We're gonna have fire rescue come check you out, okay? How long were you under? Half an hour? No, buddy.
All units
Que
go
mejor
on
que
fire
te lleven al hospital, Juan Carlos.
Not far.
What is your name? What, Juan? Juan? What's your date of birth? Do you know your birthday?
Bring the 3. Repeat that.
Huh?